Here, there's the chicken. Yes, chicken.
Use your the gloves, yeah.
What does a pig say? Quack. Tweet, tweet.
Okay.
With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink, oink. McDonald had a
Laki ng
farm.
chicken na.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he
You
had
gotta go in the house.
E-I-E-I-O.
I gotta put it back. I'm done. Done.
Quack, quack. Oink.
Sakto mo yung
Ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Slide. 1, 2, 3, go! Gana cover yung gana. Gana cover. Sita namin yun. Sita. Slide. Come on now. Slide. Get the slide. Go up. Slide. Get open to it. So you go there. Yeah, can I have some ice cream?
You want strawberry ice cream?
Yeah, strawberry ice cream.
Chicken.
Okay, thank you. Where's the spoon? You have spoon?
Daddy want donut?
Yeah, of course you want.
No. The chicken is broke, Daddy.
Ah, you gotta get this one.
Yeah.
So,
What do you want? I want chicken.
you want vegetable, you want banana. Can I have some banana? This one is good for me.
Daddy, you should shopping. Daddy, you should use this, Daddy.
Okay. Let's go.
You gonna shop?
Daddy,
Shopping. Come on.
my shopping.
You gonna push it.
Okay, what you were gonna buy, Ethan?
Okay, you have banana. What else?
Bingo.
Mango. What else? Oh, look at the banana. It's Ito. Gana po ng... Oh, there's a big... Can you buy me a crab?
No. What's the good for you? What's good for you?
What vegetable? There's a crab, oh. There's a crab. Can I have crab? Can I have the crab? I think this one, crab, I like crab. Why?
It's not good for you.
That's not good for me. I don't know. How about this shrimp? This one. This one, shrimp. How about this? That's fair. No. How about the fish?
No.
No, what's that? You want juice?
No.
How about hot dog?
No.
Oh, there's a juice. It's a lemon juice.
Where's the lemon juice?
You done? Oh, how about fish? You're not buying fish?
They're not
Broccoli. What's that?
broccoli.
Pepper.
Not hot pepper. Sweet and pepper. Cabbage.
How about fish?
No.
Oh, it's vegetable.
It's good on the other. Pepper. Egg.
It's a big egg.
Small egg. Orange. Apple. Orange.
How about strawberry?
Potato. Strawberry. Grapes.
Eggplant. That is eggplant.
The things on the bus go wow. Stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, stomp your feet. If you're scared, say oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. If you're scared, say oh no, say oh no. If you're
Coffee?
scared, say oh no.
Mommy, sit. Daddy, mommy.
Hmm?
If you're sleepy, if you want, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands.
You put. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you. Thank you. It's hot. Thank you.
Thank you. How about fruits or corn? Can you put on the plate? Oh.
Ruby the rabbit has 2 ears. Ruby the rabbit has
You're putting the vegetable inside the wrap?
has 2 ears. Go, Ruby, go.
Mommy.
Sally the sloth
No, you can do it.
3 toes. Sally the sloth has 3 toes. Sally the sloth has 3 toes. Go, Sally, go. Felix the fox has 4 legs. Felix the fox has 4 legs. Felix the fox has 4 legs. Go, Felix, go. Lily the ladybug has 5 spots. Lily the ladybug has 5 spots. Lily the ladybug has 5 spots. Go, Lily, go. Seven stripes. Larry the lizard has 7 stripes. Larry the lizard has 7 stripes.
You can jump there. Like Brian and Spider. You can jump that.
Sammy the spider has 8 legs. Sammy
don't be scared. Okay, almost. You can put them on the cart. Go back. One more. Okay, here.
Guys, ganito lang kabilis ang paggawa ng bahay, guys. Yan. Hanggang sa ikalawang palapag ang bilis naman, guys. Diba ang galing? Guys,
Whoa. Put it back. Can I have a juice? Lemon juice? They have a pizza.
It's okay, coming right up.
Okay, you put on the tray. And how about the juice? That one is an ice. No. There's a soft drinks there. Go down. On the down. This one. This one. No, go inside. No, you put it here. No, we just put. That one is already have soft drink inside. Yeah. We have 2. Should put 2. And how about the French fries? This one. Down. You put. You look. There's a French fries. This one. This one. French fries.
For mommy, for daddy,
How about the drinks? Only one.
Ita,
How about the drinks?
and for this is not empty.
Okay.
Mommy, how?
Enough.
Pwede siya sa alcohol.
Alcohol, anak.
Alcohol.
This is a vegetable. Mommy, what do you want?
Oh, you should give to daddy na. The one who have order.
Huma. Mario with you. The this clean.
Yeah. There, oh. So small?
with the sea. Put it in the oven for panicking, baker's man. Baking the cake as fast as you can. Roll it and roll it and mark it with an A. Put it in the oven for Amy and
What? It's locked?
Are you going round and around?
That is rug.